Hey everybody, this is your girl Tavia Spencer, and I was not calming, I was about to say calling and coming. I'm coming to you with an update of what I'm about to get ready to do. Do y'all see that? I'm about to start driving for Prime, and it's a Prime student driver program in Springfield, Missouri. I leave out Saturday at 6 a.m. They have me taking a Greyhound there. So I leave there Saturday at 6 a.m. and I arrive Sunday around 1ish. That will be the longest drive I've ever taken. So this is some information that they sent me in an email, and I just decided to print it out. But what I wanted to quickly do is very random. I don't have no notes or anything. But for the past like 3 days, I have been trying to find the perfect bag. And it's like I already have suitcases and luggage, but I just wanted to find something that was a lot more comfortable with me having to walk, just in case. I just came back from Texas, and I had like the roll-on luggage, the luggage on wheels, and then I had a wide pocketbook. Then I still have my son baby book bag and had to carry his car seat. So I'm just like, you know what? I don't want to carry a whole bunch of luggage. Anyway, so the first thing I went to, I got this bag from Ross. The first places I was checking out was like Plato's Closet and Clothes Mentor, trying to be frugal or whatnot. So this is how the bag looked. And I paid $13 for it. And I already have it packed with some things. And then I think maybe I'll do another video of what I have it packed with. And then I went and got another carry-on bag. It doesn't have like pockets in the inside, but this is where I got it from. And I washed it. And I got this from the Goodwill. So I paid like $3 for this bag. It got some little stains on it, but hey, I washed it. Oh well. And in this bag, I got my snacks. A little bit of snacks. I might be doing too much. I don't know. Hey. So whenever I get to the hotel, I have something. And what I'm going to do with this, I got this oatmeal in a cup so that whenever I decide to eat some more oatmeal later on, I think this is it. Yeah. I could be able to put this oatmeal in this cup. Yeah, that girl think it's smart. Anyway, so after I did all of that and spent like hours and hours all day yesterday, I decided that I was already contemplating yesterday like whether I should get a book bag for my back, which would be a lot more convenient for a carry-on. So that way that I can access the stuff that I need to access, like snacks, just in case. Well, I decided to do, my 8-year-old just left to go with his dad out of town, and I decided to get his book bag. He's 8. It's tore up. This right here is tore up. I don't know what the zipper is. This is the inside. You see it got 2 pockets on the outside. Some pencil holders. This flap still works. Got some things on there. I washed that out. But anyway, and all his little junk I found in here. So what I'm going to do first is, as you see that these little spots right here, I'm going to make this thing look a little better than what it is. Because like I said, a 7-year-old, 8-year-old had it. I'm going to just use one little Sharpie on that bad boy. And since I got the black one from Goodwill, I cannot return that one. Okay. Damn, y'all. Call it what you want to call it, but guess what? If I'm going to truck driving school, I'm trying to make money, so I don't need to spend too much more money than I already have. Plus, I got to carry $155 for the administration fee and for my CDL permit that I will obtain next week. And then what I'm going to do with this, I was looking at how I was going to at least take this off or buy another zipper to put on there, but I'm not going to do that. I got my no heat, no sew stitch glue. And that's what this is in here. And I'm just going to close that up because it's a little compartment anyway. I don't need it. And I don't have time to sew. Stick that in there. I'll probably even cut this net off just because it got this hole. Put some glue up in here. Move that net out the way because, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the little net piece off. You can't put nothing in between it anyway, so it's just to add, like, decorations. If that's what you want to call it. So now you see the little white spots of the stain. Let me get some baking soda or something. Get that stain out. I got a seam ripper somewhere. Yep, I should have cut it first, right? Hold on. I'm still here. Still here. See, looking better already. Yep, then I'm going to go back and I'm going to clean that up. Finish taking this part off. Yeah, he don't need his book bag anyways. The school is out for the summer. So he don't need this book bag. He'll get a brand new one. He'll be alright. And I'm going to be alright too. Just that one little hole was just like irritating me. That was in the net part. So this, I'm just showing y'all this so that y'all can actually see my journey to truck driving school, and hopefully I keep it up and I could refer back to this video like, oh my god, I really did that. Okay, that's the front now. Okay, so anyway, I think I decided to, I don't know if I already said it or not. Hey, oh well. I'm going to take his book bag instead of the black carry-on bag instead. Alright. Think it looks so bad. Let me get that clean. So, I'm carrying this. And then I'm carrying this. I want it to be all girly and everything. But I'm not there to be girly or to impress anybody. I'm there to go to school. Last time I've been to school was when I graduated in 2009. So I'm excited. I'm there to focus and pay attention better than I did when I was in college. So keep me up. I'll keep you updated or whatnot. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in knowing what I packed in my bag for all the women future truck drivers, then just comment below. Keep it positive, please. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. I'm not interested. But once again, this is your girl Tavia Spencer, and subscribe, hit the like button, and also you can refer me if you're interested in being a prime student driver. Just let them know my name, Tavia Spencer. But stay tuned for more videos.